I want to talk about why we love our high-octane vitamin C serum so much. Vitamin C is an antioxidant and is something that should be applied to your face every single day before heading out. Antioxidants help to protect your skin from free radicals. What causes these free radicals? So many things. The most common are UV exposure, pollution, smoking, and even just breathing. So no matter what, we're going to encounter them daily, forever. Now, what is a free radical? In the simplest terms, it's an unbalanced electron. When an electron is unbalanced, it will grab other electrons to make itself into a balanced pair. This becomes a problem when it starts stealing from your handy collagen fibers and other skin tissues. Too many damaged fibers, and before you know it, wrinkles and spots and bumps, they all start forming. Vitamin C is special. It's a scavenger and has a single-minded goal of preventing cell and tissue damages. It finds all the free radicals and pairs them up before they start stealing from your tissues. Do you see the immense value in this product? Since free radicals are nothing that we can hide from, it was extremely important that we create a powerful, multifaceted product that can protect your skin daily. Introducing our high-octane vitamin C serum, right here. And it's a nice, light serum. Now, high-octane is a smooth, silky, almost powdery serum. There are a couple of key factors that make this product special. First, it has a very low pH level of only 2.5, which correlates perfectly with the acidity of vitamin C. This allows our serum to be able to deliver the maximum amount of vitamin into the skin, which is about 10%. Any higher pH levels can't do that easily. Also, any higher percentages, while they may look good on a label, your skin simply can't accept that much, and it's just wasteful. And second, there's no water in our formula. That means that our serum has a shelf life of about a year, as opposed to measly 60 days with other formulas. Absolutely huge difference, and no terrible smell. I don't know if you've ever had one, but when water-based serums turn and oxidize, they stink. Ours has no scent at all. Now, we have two key ingredients in this product. The first is, of course, L-ascorbic. That's vitamin C. The second is aminopropyl ascorbyl phosphate, or AAP. Now, L-ascorbic is the traditional version of vitamin C. It will help to protect your skin from both UVA and UVB damages. It neutralizes free radicals, stimulates collagen production, improves the skin's tone and texture, helps to fade back pigmentation, increase elasticity in the skin, and reduce fine lines. AAP is a newer type of vitamin C. It's known for its ability to reduce fine lines, skin lightening, brightening, and greatly minimizing age spots by slowing the melanin production, healing inflammation. Think about applying this on a sunburn. Helps to synthesize collagen. Studies have shown an increase of over 140%, and it protects the skin's barrier. Dermatologists recommend the use of antioxidants every single day. This can be the perfect product in your morning regimen. How do I use it? You'll want to apply our high-octane vitamin C serum 1 time per day onto freshly cleansed skin. If you're using this to treat hyperpigmentation, make sure that this or Fade Bright is always your first layer of product. Otherwise, with serums, it really doesn't matter which order they're applied. Just wait 30 seconds, and then you can follow with any other serums and then creams or oils that you wish to apply. Always make sure to apply an SPF as your final layer too. Now, this does have a low pH level, and therefore it can tingle or even sting a bit upon application. Now, this will go away in a few minutes, but if you have extremely sensitive skin and find this bothersome, go ahead and mix it with another serum or cream and then apply it. Now, here's a tip. If you have oily or shiny skin, you'll find that this leaves a nice, smooth, almost powdery finish on the skin. Some people like to apply it as a final layer to get this surface, as a primer for makeup applications, or just to hide shine. What else can I use with this? There are a few other products that can be used perfectly in conjunction with our high-octane vitamin C serum to help with skin brightening, pigmentation, and anti-aging. Fade Bright can be applied each morning as a first or second layer with high-octane vitamin C. Nano-hyaluronic with grape stem cells can be used as a second layer or mixed with the high-octane to help lessen that irritation I spoke of. Retinol molecular serum can also be applied in the evenings to complement the collagen growth and smooth and brighten skin. Exceptions. There are no contraindications with using our vitamin C and other products simultaneously, so use it freely with all your favorites. Do you still have more questions? Go ahead and contact us. We're here for you.